23, you should know that.
Sorry.
Okay, yes or no?
I'm not 23.
I didn't think you were 23.
Sorry. I'm 18. You're 18? Yes, sir. Sorry.
Not a lot of 23-year-olds hang out with 18 and 19-year-olds, so I didn't think you were 20.
Now, do you have an ID or anything with your name?
I'm sorry.
In Georgia.
If I did, I promise I would give it to you. I don't know.
In our room. I'm sorry, we can just go back to our room. We won't cause you any trouble.
You guys have a room here?
Our parents are picking us up. They had a room here, but it's expired now, so we're just going home tonight.
You going back to Georgia tonight?
What?
Not
You going
Georgia.
back to Georgia tonight? No?
I live in Tampa. I'm just going back to Tampa tonight.
Me?
Yep.
Are we getting put in cuffs right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did we do so long?
You're underage drinking on Clearwater Beach. There's zero tolerance.
So are we going to jail right now?
You are. Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Actually, do me a favor, unsnap your little thingy.
Oh my gosh, are you serious, dude?
I am serious, yes, ma'am.
I really don't want to go to jail right now.
I understand that. Turn around for me, please. Pull your hands away from your body, please.
No, I don't know what's happening. I'm a little scared right now. Do you think you could tell me what's happening?
You know what's happening. Here, turn
Why
around.
are we going to
You're
jail
under
for
arrest.
drinking?
What are the
Because
rights?
the rights,
Aren't you supposed to be there, or did
I'll
I
read-
not take a civil law?
you didn't pay attention during that part of the civil law. You will. You'll be able to.
I don't want to go to jail right now.
I understand, but you are going to jail. You want to take your backpack off for me, please?
Can you explain? I'm about to be handcuffed, baby. I'm a little scared. I'm
Okay, take off your
sorry.
backpack.
I'm just a little scared. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, you're good. Tell him goodbye.
He really wants to talk to you.
I'm not talking to anybody.
He
Tell him
doesn't want to talk to you.
goodbye.
Okay,
If you
love you,
would
babe.
hang up the phone, that'd be great. Okay, you want to secure it in your backpack so that way we don't accidentally.
Can we please just forget this? I promise.
No.
I'm just a little scared.
No, I'm sorry.
You could help me.
No, I'm
I don't
sorry.
know. My dad just fucking cursed me. I'm treated for anxiety.
Okay, you're treated for anxiety. Okay, stop. Chill. Lean up against there. Okay, lean up against the thing. If it makes you feel better, have a seat in the grass. Okay.
I'm just a little scared.
I understand. Okay, I understand. Listen to me. I understand. Go ahead, sit. I understand.
I need to call my mom before.
Okay. Grab your phone. Call your mom.
Hey, let me call my dad, please. I've never been in
Why is she allowed to? Because she has anxiety. I'm also diagnosed with depression and anxiety. Can I sit in the grass without being cuffed?
No, you're gonna sit in the grass already cuffed because I already handcuffed you.
And she's allowed to call her mother? Can I call my mother?
we just get picked up by our
No,
parents.
you're
Can we-
going.
Am I allowed to call my mother?
All three of you are going to jail.
Am I
For
allowed to
what?
call my
Are we
mother?
spending the night there? Like, what is happening?
No, you go to jail, and then
we
what
get
happens
picked
after
up?
you go to jail?
It's a bond.
Yes, you get a bond.
Guess what? We have to
If you
all
would-
of our parents.
It's up to you. If you would like to sit in the grass, that's fine. If not, we have the transport van
Alright,
that's
can
air
I
conditioned.
also call my mother?
I don't know if you... Are we
No.
all going together?
Oh,
You're all
only,
going
only
together.
she's allowed?
Yes.
For
Yes.
why? Because she's
For why?
diagnosed, I'm also diagnosed.
Okay, I am sorry to hear
All right,
that.
Lindsay, come on, let's go in the van.
She's having a panic attack, so we're giving her a minute. Do you need the fire department?
No, sir, I'm just gotta tell my mom and I'll remember.
Okay.
And then, they saw us walking with a white claw, and then they called us to talk to us, and I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not drunk, Mama. I'm just... Mama, I mean, sir, they're just trying to... My mom is trying to talk to you. Do you think
No, I'm sorry. You can't drink alcohol as a minor. I'm sorry.
I promise
Your
I'm
mom
not
should
drunk or
should have
anything. I
watched you.
promise, sir.
I'm sorry. Now's not the time for you to bring your mom into it. I'm sorry,
You're
ma'am.
telling me?
I'm
Mama,
sorry.
I'm scared. I'm not drunk or anything, Mom. They're gonna test me and I'm not.
We're not going to test you.
I don't know what you have to do, Mama. I'm 18.
She'll have to pick you up from Pinellas County Jail.
They said they're gonna have to pick
Copy.
me up.
No, we're in the Pier 64.
They can come pick me up from where, sir? I'm sorry, Pinellas County Jail.
404. Did I put in a request for
I didn't do
PTA?
anything wrong, Mama. I didn't even drink. I don't know what is happening. There's
Could I
spikes
get that
breaking
rolling?
out everywhere, and then
3
they just
adult
called me
female.
aside because I had a can in my hand.
The same one that's
They're
549 or
here with me,
275?
but I don't know what's happening. I'm just just scared.
If 549 is Bingham, we are together, ma'am. I apologize for the confusion.
They don't really know what to do, sir.
Affirm.
My parents don't know what to do. They're just trying to get me.
All they got to do is they wait for you to go to the jail, and when you get to
He doesn't want to talk to you,
no,
Mama.
when you get to the jail, you call your parents, and your parents will pick you up.
Is there any way someone can just get me from here?
No.
I won't do anything.
I have your call for Tower 4. There's 3
I'm
separate
just
people
sitting.
there.
Someone
Is
can
that
sit
the 3
with
that we're
me.
doing?
Mama, I don't
That was
know
somebody
what
else.
to
That
do.
was
They're
Paloma, I
really
think.
being difficult right now. I'm just a little
That's
confused.
545.
And they won't explain to me
We're
what's
out here
happening.
at Pier 64.
I don't know. I'm not drunk. I haven't had a sip. I literally had one sip and I literally feel fine. I don't know what's happening. And then
Well, from them, I
told me
apologize for
told
the
me to call
confusion.
you, and now I'm here. And then he doesn't want to talk.
That extra set of cuffs that I just handed back to you, I'm going to need those for her. Okay.
Would you wait here for my mom?
No, I'm not waiting here for your mom.
He said he wouldn't wait here for me, but basically this is what happened. A fight broke out and there was people jumping each other, so we tried to walk away. And then we just got pulled over and stopped, I guess. We're walking back to the car so we could get away, and then the police saw us with the white claw in our hand. No, we're walking.
And you're how old? How old are you?
I guess, I don't know. I know, Mama. I'm just a little scared right now. I don't really understand. I don't want to hang up either, Mama.
Promise.
Okay.
I respect you.
Okay.
I'm just wondering when the door shuts when we're on the way to the police station, are we going to be in the dark with no air again?
It's a different van.
Okay. Alright. I was just wondering.
I don't know if there's a light, and I don't know
I just
how.
want some water or something.
Some water.
I just don't want to pass out.
There was a. I don't have more I can do for you. Do you want me to call the fire department for you to look at you?
I just want to call my fucking parents really bad.
Do you want me to call the fire department? Do you want the fire department?
No, she's just like, it means a lot to
Okay,
me.
look at me. Do you want me to call the fire department for you?
No, I don't.
Do you want the fire department?
Okay, thank you.
I mean, you're staring straight into the sun. If you sit over here in the shade.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
We all travel together.
We drank one White Claw and we're going to jail. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it.
White Claw's against the law. Especially when you're not 21.
I bet they're doing so much more illegal.
I know. But you guys walked right through the police, breaking the law.
Can we just like make an agreement?
I mean, what do you want me to do?
No. I don't want anything to happen to my best friends, bro. They're both hyperventilating next to me.
I'm not hyperventilating.
Because if you pass out on me, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I know, I have to.
Do you want the fire department? Do you need the fire department?
No, it's just more money. Just don't call them. I know.
Are you having an emergency?
I watch a lot of life. Hope you know CPR.
Please stop fucking saying that. Please get me out of these handcuffs. I'm having a panic
I have FD, please.
I'm
not doing anything, guys. I can't control my vasovagal.
Emergency, please.
No, there's no emergency.
There's no
I'm at the
emergency.
same location. They'll see us. We're within the park.
I'm saying no emergency. I'm okay. I'm not passing out. My heart's good.
Are you a juvenile, ma'am? Are you a juvenile or an adult?
Juvenile.
10-4. It's going to be a male juvenile and a female juvenile. Copy.
I wonder where Maya went.
One haircut.
6 days attachment to that. I'll help with traffic. Trying to get over it. Copy, you're attached.
Something about
You said the Hilton by the park.
I was play fighting with my friends.
It's the same group of kids. They're going to be south of. There's two girls with boxing gloves fighting each other.
580 423.
Why am I here?
Go ahead, 580. Yeah, I saw those two fighting.
This is a good day at the beach.
Alright, where were they? If they start fighting again, let me know. But in the meantime, all these people standing on the bridge thing over here, they need to get moving. They can't be hanging around on the bridge. Or on the pier, rather.
Never coming here now. Yep, I know. A man beat this girl up here.
85 to 580. Are these the two that I have? The ones that were fighting? Yeah, they have the gold gloves on. Those are the two.
Are your arms long enough to like put my...
Yeah, there's a large skin or large body cream man with two pairs that took the gloves off one of them. I don't know what you're playing.
Hey, 549.
Breathe in here!
There's no air?
We can't breathe in here! It's so dark! Can you give us some light, please? Please, I've never been so scared. I can't breathe. I cannot breathe.
Okay, listen, I'm not trying to do anything to you.
Okay.
That's the air.
No, we can't. I can't.
Okay. All they got to
And
do
there
is
you
they
have it.
wait for you
A
to
perfect
go
example
to the
of how
jail,
quickly a
and when
night
you
out
get to
can turn into a legal crisis when
you
you're
get to the
underage
jail,
and alcohol is
when you get to the
involved.
jail, you call
What
your
we just
parents, and your
witnessed
parents will
on
pick you
Clearwater
up.
Beach is Florida's zero tolerance policy in action, and it's exactly as unforgiving as it sounds. Let's break down what actually happened here from a legal perspective. These three teenagers,
That was somebody else.
two
That was
18-year-olds
Paloma, I
and
think.
one 9-year-old, were caught red-handed with alcohol on a public beach where Florida statute 562.11 makes it crystal clear. If you're under 21 and caught possessing or consuming alcohol, you're going to jail. Period. No warnings, no
That actually said a
second
cuss that I
chances.
just handed back to
No,
everybody
but I
because
only
for
had
her.
one sip excuses.
Okay.
The officer's response was
No,
textbook
I'm not waiting
procedure.
here for your mom.
Notice how he immediately asked for age verification. That's because the penalty structure is different for juveniles versus adults. The 18 and 9-year-olds are legally adults, which means they face the full weight of adult criminal charges. This isn't just a slap on the wrist. We're talking about potential fines up to $500, community service,
And you're how old?
mandatory alcohol education
old are you?
programs,
I don't
and a
know.
criminal record that can impact everything from college applications to job
I'm
prospects.
just a little scared
What's particularly
right now.
striking about this case is the emotional response we witnessed. The young woman's anxiety attack and desperate phone calls to her parents highlight a harsh reality. Most teenagers simply don't understand the serious legal consequences of underage drinking until they're sitting in handcuffs. Her repeated claims of, "I only had one sip and I'm
It's a
not
different
drunk,"
van.
miss the point entirely.
I was just wondering.
Florida law doesn't care about your
I don't
blood
know if
alcohol
there's a
level
light,
or how much
and I
you
don't know.
I just
consume.
want some water.
Possession is
Some
possession.
water.
The officer's handling of the situation deserves analysis.
There was a.
too.
I don't
While
have
some
any more
might
I can do
argue
for you.
he
You want me to
could
call
have
the fire
been more
department for you to
compassionate,
look at you?
Given the obvious panic attacks, he was following standard
Do you want me to
protocol
call the
for
fire
zero
department?
tolerance enforcement.
Do you want the
His
fire
decision
department?
to allow one phone call for the
Okay,
student
look at me.
claiming
Do you
anxiety
want me to call the fire
while
department
denying
for
the
you?
same courtesy to her friends
Do you
might
want the
seem
fire
unfair,
department?
but officers have discretion in managing emotionally distressed suspects to prevent
I mean, you're staring
medical
straight into the sun. If you sit over
From
here
a
in the
legal
shade,
strategy standpoint, these defendants
Okay.
are looking at several potential charges: possession of alcohol by a minor, consumption of alcohol by a minor, and potentially
White Claw's
disorderly
against the
conduct,
law.
depending on the circumstances that
especially
led to the
when you're
initial
not
contact.
21.
The mention of a fight breaking out
I
earlier in
know.
the footage suggests
But you
there
guys
might
walked
be
right through the
additional
police,
context that
breaking
can
the law.
complicate their cases. Here's where things get expensive.
I mean,
beyond
what do you
just
want me
the
to do?
criminal penalties. Pinellas County Jail booking fees, bond costs, attorney fees if they choose legal representation, court costs, and mandatory program fees can easily run into thousands of dollars per
Do you want the
person.
fire department?
For many
Do you need the
families,
fire department?
This one sip of White Claw becomes a financial nightmare that extends far beyond the initial arrest.
Are you
The
having
broader
an emergency?
implications of this case highlight Florida's approach to underage drinking enforcement, particularly in tourist areas like Clearwater. Law enforcement agencies have made it clear that they're not interested in education or warnings when it comes to alcohol violations by minors. The message is
I'm at
simple.
the same location.
If you're under
You'll see us.
21
We're
and you're
within the
caught
park.
with alcohol, you're going to experience the full criminal justice process. What's also important to note is how this arrest demonstrates the ripple effects of poor decision-making. These weren't hardened criminals. They were young adults who made a choice that millions of teenagers make every weekend. But location matters, and Clearwater Beach's high-profile tourist status means zero tolerance is strictly enforced to maintain the area's family-friendly reputation. For parents watching this,
gonna be
it's
a
a
male
wake-up
juvenile
call
and a
about
female
having
juvenile.
serious conversations with your college-age children about the real-world consequences of underage drinking. The emotional distress we witnessed, the panic attacks, the desperate phone calls, the fear of going to jail, could have been avoided with better education about Florida's strict alcohol laws. The legal system doesn't care about your anxiety diagnosis, your academic achievements, or your family's reputation when you break the law. What we saw in this body cam footage is equal justice under the law, and while it might seem harsh, it's exactly what Florida legislators intended when they wrote these zero-tolerance statutes. These three young adults are about to learn expensive lessons about personal responsibility, legal consequences, and the importance of making better choices. Their mugshots will be public record, their arrests will show up on background checks, and they'll be dealing with the legal and financial consequences of this night for months to come. The question for viewers is, do you think Florida's zero-tolerance approach is effective in deterring underage drinking, or is it unnecessarily harsh for what amounts to typical teenage behavior? Should officers have more discretion in cases involving first-time offenders, or does strict enforcement serve as the best deterrent? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think these arrests were justified, or was this an overreach of law enforcement?
Yeah, they have the gold gloves on those
Or
too.
someone you know faced similar consequences for underage drinking? Drop your experiences below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping body cam breakdowns that expose the real-world consequences of breaking the law. We analyze the cases that matter, break down the legal implications, and show you exactly what happens when the justice system meets real people making real mistakes.